All right, it is Wednesday, April 22nd. So today I'm going to be going over how to submit your project. So hopefully you were working on that on Monday. You joined our live video chat yesterday, and then you can submit this project either today, tomorrow, or Friday. But please make sure you do submit it by Friday. And I do want to go over how that is going to look. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me sign in here. Let's see if this will work. So this is not going to be a very long video. I just want to show you exactly what to do in order to submit your project. Okay. Let me see here while I get this up and running. All right. Let me share my screen with you. All right, so I am signed into a student account here on my Google Classroom. So I want to show you from your perspective what this is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to show you from this lesson is not yet posted, but I want to show you from another lesson what exactly you are going to do with this. So when you view the assignment, and this is going to be lesson 6, when you view this, you are going to see here, you're going to see my video that's here, and you're going to see a rubric that you can view before you submit your work. What you're going to do is this. So we talked about on Monday in the live session that you have a couple different options. What you can do is if you look up here in this top right corner where it says your work, okay, you can add or you can create an assignment. So if you want to add something, you can click this right here. Let's say that you have already completed this assignment. You're going to go to your Google Drive and you are going to pick that assignment. So you're going to pick this assignment and you're just going to attach it here and hit turn in, okay? If it's on your computer, you're going to hit file. So let's say you took a picture of something. Let's say that you uploaded something on your computer. You can go to your computer to any of this right here, my documents. Okay, I can go to any of this right here and I can pick something in order to submit. So if you took a picture like your phone, you took a picture of your project and you upload it to your computer, you can upload it here as well. Okay, or if you've not yet started it, you can go ahead and create your slides, your docs, your sheets, any of this. So if I click this slides right here, I'm signed in under Zaire's account right now, just to show you from a student perspective. So as it's creating, so this is if I've done nothing for my project yet, okay? But as long as I've done something for my project, I can just attach that from my Google Drive. But this is gonna create, it's creating my Google Slides if I wanna do it this way. Okay, so I would then click right here. I can keep it named this. I don't need to change the name for anything like that. Then I'm just going to be able to actually click any of this, make my different slides, make my PowerPoint, and then I can submit it. So when I come back here, whenever I'm done with this, I can just hit turn in, and then my project will be submitted. Okay, so what you guys are going to do, since I'm on a student account, I can't show you lesson 6, but I can, let me see if I can do this real quick. Let me see if I can sign out and sign into mine. Yeah, that should be easy for me to show you this too. Okay, so you guys now are looking at, here we go, lesson 6. I just want to show you from the actual student perspective. So all you're going to have is here the rubric. So I'm actually going to get rid of this project submission because you don't even need that there. So all you're going to do, so if you notice on my side of the screen, it kind of gives the details about what this actually looks like with the project. All you are going to do is you're going to hit right here. You're going to either hit add or you're going to create and attach the project here. Now, some of your parents have already sent me the project on Dojo. So if you can figure out how to turn it in on here, I'd love for you to do that. If not, I will go ahead and submit it for you and put it on online via the Dojo message. So if you cannot figure it out, if you're like, I am stuck, confused, your parents can send me a picture on Dojo. But if you have done a project online, you can just hit add and you can just attach your project and then you can submit it. But remember, it comes up here in this right corner. So in this top right corner, you'll see where it says add and create, and then you can just hit turn in from there, okay? So you've looked right here. Let me edit this a little bit. You've looked here at my video. Then you're going to look at the project rubric, which I can pull this up so you can see it. So this goes over the different things, level 4, 3, 2, and 1 with the project, 1, 2, 3, and then above the standard, if you did the hexagon, pentagon, or triangles, you can kind of go from there and you can just look at the rubric to see if it meets the expectations for the project, okay? And then if you finish early, I've also put an interactive game here. It might come up with a pop-up blocker, so if it doesn't work, that's okay, but that's just something extra for you to do tomorrow or throughout the week. It's a game with our quadrilaterals, okay? So your key, though, is making sure that you submit your project by either hitting add or create in this top right corner right here, making sure that your project gets submitted, okay? And you can go back and look as well. If you want to make sure that you've got everything down, you can go back to lesson 5 and make sure that you see the different documents and the examples if you're still confused, okay? So just make sure you submit it. If you did it on paper, take a picture of your phone and you can upload it on your phone, or you can send it to me on Dojo, okay? So I hope that you guys did a good job with your project. I look forward to seeing them, and I will be showing those off at our live session on Tuesday next week. All right, have a great rest of the week and enjoy your weekend.